Welcome back to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to tune and adjust the fan curve for your NVIDIA RTX 4070 using Zotac FireStorm. If you've noticed your GPU running hotter than usual or fans getting noisy at random times, this video will help you find the right balance between temperature and performance. First, open Zotac FireStorm. Once it's running, you'll see the main dashboard showing GPU temperature, clock speeds, and fan RPM. Before you start making any changes, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date through GeForce Experience. Now, let's move to the Fan Control tab. Here, you can switch between auto and manual modes. In auto mode, the fan speed is controlled by the GPU driver, which is usually fine for everyday gaming, but it's not always optimized for lower noise or better thermals. Switch to manual mode. You'll now see a fan curve graph with temperature on the horizontal axis and fan speed on the vertical axis. Click on the curve to create new points, which is where you can adjust how aggressively you want the fans to react to rising temperatures. A good starting point is 30% fan speed at 40 degrees C for quiet operation, 55% at 60 degrees C, 70% at 70 degrees C, and 100% at 80 degrees C to keep your GPU safe under heavy load. Once you've set your preferred curve, click Apply. You'll instantly notice the fan responding according to your curve settings. Next, if you want to fine-tune performance, open the Advanced tab. Here, you can slightly adjust the GPU clock and memory clock sliders. For a safe and stable setup, increase the GPU clock by plus 100 MHz and memory clock by plus 200 MHz, then stress test your GPU using tools like FurMark or Unigine Heaven. If everything runs stable and temperatures remain under control, you've successfully tuned your RTX 4070 for both performance and efficiency. Don't forget to save your profile at the bottom so you can reload your settings anytime after a driver update or reboot. And that's it. You've just optimized your RTX 4070 using Zotac FireStorm. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with fellow PC users looking to cool down and tune their GPUs.